Hello YouTubers, welcome back again. Today we're diving into the transformative practice of self-reflection. Whether you're looking to excel in your career, strengthen your relationships, or boost your overall well-being, self-reflection is the key tool in your arsenal. In this video, we'll explore what self-reflection is and provide actionable ways to incorporate it into your daily life for personal and professional success. Hello YouTubers, welcome back to the official Handsome Jersey Devil channel, where we focus on overall health, personal development and coaching, and product reviews of high quality goods, all with an emphasis on mental health. My name is Walter Niguez and I am the owner of the brand and the host of this channel. So for those that don't know, what is self-reflection? Self-reflection is the process of taking a step back, looking inward, and examining your thoughts, feelings, actions, and experiences. It's a powerful tool for personal development. It can have a profound impact on your work, relationships, and overall well-being. So why does self-reflection matter? I broke it down into steps for you to follow along. 1. Self-improvement. Self-reflection enables you to identify areas where you can grow and evolve, helping you become the best version of yourself. 2. Better decision-making. By analyzing past experiences and outcomes, you can make more informed decisions in the future. Another way to look at it is you're your own algorithm. 3. Enhance emotional intelligence. Self-reflection can help you better understand your emotions and those of others, leading to improved relationships. 4. Stress reduction. By processing your thoughts and feelings, you can actually reduce stress and anxiety. So let's talk about self-reflection for work. Your career is a significant part of your life, so self-reflection can make a big difference in your professional journey. Keep a work journal to record your daily experiences, successes, and challenges. Review it regularly to identify patterns and areas of improvement. Regularly assess your career goals and align them with your values and aspirations. Are you on the right path? What changes can you make to achieve your dream? Seek feedback from colleagues, mentors, or supervisors. Use this feedback to evaluate your performance and set goals for growth. So let's talk about self-reflection for relationships. Strong, meaningful connections with others are crucial for a fulfilling life. Reflect on interactions with loved ones. Are you an active listener? Are you clear with your communications? What can you do to enhance your relationship? Take time each day to express gratitude for the people in your life. Gratitude fosters positivity and strengthens bonds. Consider how you handle conflicts. Are there patterns in your responses? What healthy strategies can you employ? So let's talk about self-reflection for well-being. Prioritizing your mental and emotional health is essential for being the best version of yourself. I broke these down into different parts. 1. Mindful meditation. Engage in regular mindfulness meditation to become more aware of your thoughts and emotions. It can help reduce stress and increase self-awareness. 2. Health and lifestyle choices. Reflect on your eating, exercises, and sleep habits. Are they contributing to your overall well-being, or do they need to be adjusted? 3. Social connections. Evaluate your social circle. Are your relationships supportive and nurturing? Surround yourself with people who lift you up. In conclusion, self-reflection is the compass that can guide you towards becoming the best version of yourself. By regularly examining your work, relationship, and overall well-being, you'll make informed choices, achieve personal growth, and experience a more fulfilling life. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more self-reflection tips and life coaching guidance. Use our hashtags and keywords to help others discover this valuable content. Well, that's all for now. Have a healthy day.